clean and dry the prawns. Marinate in some olive oil, salt, black pepper, turmeric powder, and Kashmiri chili powder. In some oil, fry the prawns lightly, undercook them, and then remove them. In that oil, add the onions, a teaspoon or more of fennel seeds or sumph. On the other side, I was doing a prawn stir fry. And then add the ginger, the curry leaves, the garlic. The garlic is the flavor profile in this dish. Garlic and fennel, that's your main actors. Then tomato. I used 3 green chilies, the same spices you marinated in, turmeric powder, Kashmiri, and the only addition is cumin. That's lemon juice, tamarind paste, add the prawns back in. You see the oil separating? Don't add water anywhere throughout this dish. Leaving it closed will create some water. It will remove the font from the bottom that's stuck. That's all flavor. Eat with some freshly baked bread.